Oh,
Now it's
okay.
over.
Okay. Okay, baby.
He's capturing our finch. I'm not sure he's ready to go yet.
Oh. He's like, no, I want to stay. Oh, wait. Let me see if I can get a picture of him like that.
Get it?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's not ready yet. Put him in the bush somewhere?
If he's not ready to go, I wouldn't let him go. Oh, poor baby. Let's see here. Yeah, he's not ready to go. In fact, his little right eye's closed. I hope he didn't, like, damage his brain or something.
Yeah.
Hmm. We can probably get him a little box until he starts.
Keep moving.
Come on.
Put him in a box for a while or what?
Okay.
Upstairs? Some warm?
Aw, he's not ready to go. We could get him a little box. I'm sure there's a little one in there. Get him some paper shred. Yeah.
Find in the office.
Yeah, we can find something. Did he move when he heard that?
Yeah. So let's get him moving. I wonder if Mama maybe was Spanish? I could say so.
Yes. I've never seen. I think it's like a new one. Set it right down there and see what it does. Yeah. Yeah, like on the sea ranch or something. See what happens.
How much?
Uh-oh.
Okay, calm down, calm down, calm down, calm down.
Have a little heart attack.
Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. You cold?
Could be. He wasn't shaking that much, was he?
Not when I held him. That was my hands.